Here we go. We're down to 3 puppies. Thursday the 5th of July. Saturday they'll be 8 weeks. And it is just too hot outside. So we're having playtime in the kitchen. We got the baby gate up, closed on both ends. So we have easy to clean accidents. Are you chewing on my pant string? We got Ginger. And then there's little female. Ginger's in the way. And then there's Mac. He's very curious. The other ones just want to play, and he just keeps sniffing around, checking everything out. Mac! Mac! You get that ball. Get that ball. And then there's Purple. Purple's the one that's not sold yet. No home for you. Not yet. Ginger wants to play. Ginger, go get your ball. Get your ball. Go get it. Oh, got your rag. Got your rag. Where's your ball? Go get a ball, little girl. We gotta think of a name for little girl. Little girl is getting picked up tomorrow, so I guess we don't want to pick a name out yet. Then we'll just have Mac until Tuesday. And Purple String, he's gonna attack the door. We don't know how long we'll have him, but we'll see. Hello. Getting feisty. I think they feel good in the air conditioning. In the outside, they just all get lethargic, and I think they're getting tummy aches. Inside, they just perk right up. Their tails are wagging. They're happy campers. Says, I know I can get to that mama without her noticing. Sorry, she knew. Mama's got her completely blocked off. She knows what that puppy's going for. She's done nursing them, and they're not going to get away with it. Now she wants to play. I've been trying to get into Ginger's dog food, but it's so far the catch is strong enough that they can't do it. And now they're chewing on the cabinets. Good thing we don't care about them because we're going to remodel one of these days. I know I can figure out a way to get into that dog food container if I just keep trying. that little girl? Nope, this is little girl. Nope, that's purple. That is little girl. Little girl is about a pound lighter than the other one, so if I see her whole body, I know it's her. But if I just see head on, purple's got just a little bit bigger head than her. So I can't always tell. Well, hi, Mac. What you doing, huh? Why don't you go find a ball to play with? Oh, got distracted by the food. I know I can get in there, I know it. Mac! Mac! Come here, Mac! Mac! Get that ball! Get that ball! You show him, Ginger. You go get that ball. Go get that ball. Go get it. Get it. Bring it here. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, Mac. Ginger, let Mac get it. Oh, Ginger. Give. Thank you. Ready? Oh, now Mac's getting excited. Oh, you gotta let Mac get it. There are other balls, you know. Puppies! Puppies! Just so they don't squish their way through the baby gate at the top of the stairs and tumble down the stairs, but I don't think they will. You're gonna get stuck back there, buddy. Whoa! Hey, you guys. Well, hi, Mac. Go get that ball. Go get it. There you go. I hope I didn't just miss that because the camera went down a little bit. Ginger, did you just take that ball from Mac? Found a Kong. Ginger's just gonna hog them all, isn't she? Oh. Gotta fight, Ginger. Gotta go break it up. Hey, you! That purple is bound and determined to get that handle. Good girl, Ginger. She wants someone to play with. Shoo. Oh, slippery floor. Come here, little girl. Hey. Come here, little girl. Go get her, Ginger. Get that little girl. Go get her. Go get her. Come here, little girl. Little girl. Hi. Yes. Can we see your face? There we go. Hello. Hello. Hey. going? No, you can't play with that. Thanks, man. You're gonna get little doggy snot on my lens. Ginger says, I'll just play by myself then. Ginger, you stop taking those balls away from them puppies. They can play with them. Hi, Violet. Woo! Getting revved up. And I got a little one. I can't tell if it's on her right now because I'm facing it toward me. There we go. Oh, there we go. Are you watching him? You gonna go play with him? Oh, somebody must have hit their nose. Oh, it didn't feel too good, did it? You okay? Oh, Ginger. You go get them other puppies. You go get them. Get back in there. Mac. Mac. Come here. Hi. I can't get you when you're that close to me, you know. All right, I guess. Oh, somebody's chasing a tail or an itch. I think we're gonna shut it off. You say goodnight, everybody. Say goodnight, Ginger. Say goodnight.